Hello friends, this is me Ridhamsa and welcome to the channel Multitalented YouTuber. Today we are gonna compare the three of the best earphones made by Mypower. The first is E99, the second is E777 and the last is E535. Let's see which one wins this battle and on which one you should put your money. So stay tuned for the review and come on, let's explore. So guys, these are the top 3 earpieces made by Mypower here, and I am thinking which one is the best. So today we are gonna find the answer to that question, and starting with the E535. Let's open this, unbox this one. Okay, so unboxing, I love unboxing. In person, unboxing is my thing. So let's look at the packing. Okay, now the second layer. It's coming off. It's coming off. It came off. Wow, mind-blowing packing, guys. I like the unboxing feel of the E535. And oh, this is the actual earpiece. And let me take these bad boys out. Wow. Okay, let me see the build quality. It's great actually. Comfortable, soft, and yes, if you are making high quality goods, high quality earphones, especially this one is compulsory. Different earpieces for different size of ears. And this one, I guess I don't have to use because these will fit my ears perfect. And most of us need this size. But there are exceptional cases and situations when you need to use these. But yes, today we'll go on with this. So let me keep this box aside. But yes guys, unboxing was better on E535 till now because we have not unboxed the other two boxes. So gonna go on with that. So let's hear the audio quality of this earphone. I mean, look at this, look at that packing of the earphone. Like most of the cases, it's like wrapped around and winded like this, but the quality, I am liking it. And feeling a kind of bad destroying the box. Keeping this aside and moving on with this. So the wire, sleek, and wow, this is amplifier here, and this is another here. I am like in love with this theme. So you can pick up your calls using this. Now let's test the audio quality. Phone. This is the first place where you ever use your earphone, right? So come on, let's see what this thing can do. So there must be a place where it should be on right and left. No? This should not be like this, I guess. But okay, this one goes to the right and this one should be left. Whoa, noise cancellation is great. Okay, let me hear the sound. Okay guys, it's your turn to listen to the audio, I guess. So here you go. It would sound better than it is sounding now because I am doing it with a mono microphone, but don't worry, the sound is better, like 2 to 3 times better than you are hearing now. So this was a review on E535. It was mind-blowing, I love it. The review is incomplete without its competitors. So now moving on with E777. So it has a bigger box than that one, but let's see what the unboxing is like. So a basic unboxing, not like that one, but yes, again the black box. You can take it out or not take it out, it's on you. You can directly pull this out because that's the only thing there, nothing else. So unboxing is ended. It's over. Let me keep the box aside and come on to the review again. So this is what you get inside. Sleek, isn't it? So the ear parts seem same, but let me see. No! No, 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 no. They are kind of bent. Look at this. They are bent. Okay, let me put it in front of the camera and you know what I'm telling about. So let me take this out and see for yourself. It's a bit bent and yeah, so it goes on like this or something like this. Yes, so it's made to be like this and then goes here, and the noise cancellation is the same. But what about the audio? We buy AirPods for the audio quality, and if it does not throw out audio quality better than this one, it goes out of the competition. Yes, there are 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and call, receiving, playing, pause, option. But yeah, I was talking about this. You saw that ribbon kind of packing there in that, but here I was talking about this. Wind it and you go like this and like this and like this until you open this, and then you take this out, keep it aside, and then now what you do, you take the AirPods. The wire quality is the same kind of amplifier, but this one, this connection switches are bigger because they are volume up, volume down, and call receiving and sound, pause and play options. So there are more options in this one. So let's see the audio quality. Again, where do you use these? In your mobile devices, maximum of the time. So let me turn this on and let me check it for myself, and then it's your turn. So which one goes on to the right, which one goes on to the left? There is a big confusion on that point. Mind-blowing sound. Okay, it's your turn to now hear the sound. Liking it? I hope yes, because the sound is better than the E535. Yeah. So this one is ahead in the competition. The build quality is same, just the changes in the switches, and everything else seems great, but the sound is better. Okay, so I was telling that everything seems great and the sound is better than the E535, but this E777 wins it in sound quality, but the build quality and all is the same. So let's keep this one to aside and then move on with the E99. So putting this aside, I will now move on, and this is the box of the E777. So now Mypower E-Double stereo in-ear double bass. So it is promising a lot, but will it give the quality we want? Okay, the unboxing is pretty simple. So let's just pull it out. Okay, I just did it the wrong way, I guess. But there are only like one spare ear one spare, but these had like two sets, separate sets, and one set installed. So this one goes down while coming to the ear set ratio. They have two, this has one, and one installed, I guess. If not, okay, one installed. And let me keep this box aside and go on with this set. So this one we don't need, and it is the same like the E777 also had some bent ear parts, and this one too has it. So it's the same. You can see it is the same. And now we are gonna test it. And yes, I was talking about this. So it also has that kind of premium kind of roll in it. So impressed with that, because we don't get to see that much. Like people, the companies are lazy, I guess, like packing this in the proper way. But nobody is like that. So wire quality somewhat better. It's better than the previous two. And this has volume up, volume down button, and also call receiving and dropping option, play pause also. So yes, but its button is kind of standard, you know, like slider, no button, slider and one button. And the earpods, it is similar to the E777, but it is kind of more premium than the last two. They had same design, just one was bent and one was not, but this one seems better, and I want to test its sound quality straight away. So let's move on with that. So let me put it in. Okay, it goes like this, it will go like this. Whoa, sound cancellation, noise cancellation. Whoa. So these all have good noise cancellation, so I don't prefer them wearing in outside home. Guys, this one is the winner, I guess. In terms of sound quality, it went just like, it was clear, not like that level of clear, but it's like the one of the best earphones I have ever used. And one thing I missed was this tag over here, and this gives it more premium feel. And look at these designs. Black is my favorite color, and now it's your turn to hear what this sounds like. So let me turn on the music for you guys. So guys, what do you think, which one is better? So you heard this sound of the E99, and it's like greatest sound ever. Not the greatest sound, but one of the best sounds you will ever hear. And actually I like these ones, and it's like premium, and the noise cancellation is better, the earpods are very comfortable, the wire is like good quality, and everything is great. And this buttons, and yes, you have a clip, so if you are going outside and you need to hold it somewhere, this might be a perfect option. Okay, we did a review on all of these. We unboxed them, we heard how they sound, and we did everything we could do to evaluate them and which one takes the cup of the best. Guys, if I was to choose, I would choose this, or one of these, or one of these, or all the three. So my choice will be Mypower E99, because it is the best. So while I'm taking this and gonna enjoy my time with the music, you just do one thing: go below, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and come back. This is me, Rhythms, signing off. Have a good day, have a good life, have good everything. Thank you.